Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to CEO ASMR channel analytics. CEO has uploaded 352 videos. He now has 3.31 million subscribers with a total view of 454,752,780 views. He's from US, and his channel type is People. He created his channel since January 23, 2017. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 5,647th. The subscriber ranking is 5,511th, and then video view rank is 12,427th. He ranked at 1,552nd in US and 474th in People. Next, the daily subs for CEO is around 6.33k with a daily view of 986,371. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 1 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $4,000. Then, monthly income will be $120,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $66,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $792,000. That is how much CEO ASMR earns from YouTube.